In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the match frame feature, which means finding the exact original frame of a clip that's already placed on your timeline. This is very useful when you want to go back to the source clip and bring in another part of it. Let's begin. First, go to your timeline and move the playhead to the exact frame you want to match. Make sure the playhead is positioned on the clip. Now press the F key on your keyboard. As soon as you press F, Premiere opens the original clip in the source monitor and jumps directly to the same frame you're seeing in the timeline. Now you might be thinking, why is this useful? Well, imagine you've already trimmed a clip in your timeline, but later you decide you want a few extra seconds from earlier in that same shot. So instead of searching for the clip manually in the project panel, you simply press F. The original clip opens instantly in the source monitor at the exact matching frame. From here, you can scroll backward or forward in the source monitor, set new in and out points, and insert a different portion of the same clip into your timeline. It saves time and keeps your workflow smooth. That's exactly what Match Frame is designed for. Quickly reconnecting your timeline edit to the original source clip, and that's it. You now know how to use the Match Frame feature in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.